At Nemo, we never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we make is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is our Hornet Elite backpacking series. Offered in a 1- and 2-person model, the Hornet Elite is the ultralight tent of choice for extreme minimalists looking for the best in technical materials and design. Our newest version offers a generous amount of headspace, while top-shelf materials and hardware keep weight down to a minimum 25 ounces for our 1P and 28 ounces for our 2P. We start with an ultralight premium 10D coated nylon ripstop and a slim profile in our tub floor to shave ounces yet still keep you cozy and dry. The seamless construction increases your tent's longevity. The no-seam mesh canopy keeps condensation and bugs at bay and turns virtually transparent at night for clear stargazing. Hornet Elite's highly efficient pole structure leverages DAC featherlight poles for minimal weight. A single hub intersection and color-coded pole clip webbing allows for an intuitive, lightning-quick setup. Our patent-pending flybar volumizing pole clip is a new addition to Hornet Elite, dramatically increasing interior headspace by widening canopy mesh at the peak. Flybar's unique shape and flexible composition distributes fly tension evenly to eliminate any stress points. Triangulated reflective guy-outs increase volume at the foot, protecting sleeping bags from tent wall condensation. Our ultra-fine 7D nylon ripstop fly is coated in a durable silicone water repellent, offering some of the lightest, most reliable weather protection possible. Large doors and vestibules offer easy access and ample gear coverage for each person. For added livability, Hornet Elite's 2 volumizing clips connect to the fly and expand the canopy outward. We've also added a small gear pocket for your essentials, and light pockets so you can turn your headlamp into a tent lantern, providing a pleasant glow through light diffusing fabric. Our divvy stuff sack allows you to split the weight with a hiking partner. For those looking for a superior technical ultralight shelter, our 25-ounce 1P and 28-ounce 2P Hornet Elite is truly the iconic choice for extreme minimalists.
We chose the name Dirigo because it's the state motto of Maine. In Latin, it means I lead, which is something we at Hyperlight Mountain Gear strive to do with every product that we make. The cool thing about having worked with this material for a long time now is understanding which materials are best in what applications. We use 5 different types of Dyneema products in this tent. We've found what works best for a floor, what you need on the outside. We've also, in this tent, used a couple of panels of a breathable Dyneema fabric. You have that at your head and your foot when you're in the tent to try and help with venting and combat condensation, basically. We learned a lot through the process of making this tent about triangles. Triangle is the strongest geometric shape, it distributes the force and tension evenly through all points, and When you look at the Dirigo 2, you're going to see that everywhere, and not only does it look cool, but it's really adding a lot of strength and stability throughout the thing too. We knew putting our two poles in the sides, we needed something connecting those two on the top of the tent to make it super strong. So we decided to use carbon fiber. Whether you're using trekking poles or adjustable poles or paddles or anything, go into these two reinforced cups, so it sort of, you know, connects everything together, and it's just super strong. I mean, it's gonna hold up. You can grab it and shake it and the thing's not going anywhere.
Hey guys, Will here with Z-Packs, and this is the Triplex tent. The Triplex tent is specifically designed to fit 3 average-sized people or 2 people with plenty of extra room for your gear. The tent is constructed from Dyneema composite fabric, previously known as Cuban fiber. The tent measures 48 inches tall at the peaks, giving you plenty of headroom when sitting up inside the tent. The Triplex has rainbow zipper doors on both sides of the tent, allowing for easy entry and quick access to the 2 vestibule spaces. The 2-door setup makes it easy to get in and out of the tent without disturbing your partner. The tent has a fully enclosed insect screen. The holes in the screen are super tiny, preventing even the smallest of insects from getting into the tent. The 4 storm doors can be opened or closed independently. Leave all 4 open on a nice night for a breeze and great views, or close the upwind doors to block cold wind. For 360-degree protection from the elements, close all 4 storm doors. The doors are closed with custom-made metal hooks. We have also added a storm door closure that can be utilized on windy nights to help prevent the doors from flapping in the wind. The tarp overhangs the bathtub floor by 4 to 5 inches. In calm rain and under wet trees, 1 or 2 doors can be left open for airflow without water dripping on the floor space. For extra rain protection with the door open, use the included clip to pull the screen door back away from the rain spray. The tent has a solid sewn-in 8-inch tall bathtub floor measuring 60 inches wide by 7.5 feet long, providing room for 3 average-sized hikers or 2 hikers with plenty of room for your gear. The bathtub floor is also made from Dyneema composite fabric, but it's twice as thick as the canopy material and is more resistant to abrasion and punctures. There is a screen between the bathtub floor and the walls at the ends of the tarp. Elastic cords keep the bathtub elevated and ensures the screen slopes downwards away from the bathtub. A mesh pocket can be found at both ends of the tent and can be used to store small items like headlamps, glasses, or phone. The tent utilizes your trekking poles to pitch the triplex and comes with Line Lock 3 sewn to all tie-outs. The yellow lines are easy to see day or night, and Dyneema has a very low stretch. The triplex packs down super small, taking up very little space in your pack, and comes with a DCF stuff sack. Well, that covers all the features of the triplex tent. If you have any additional questions, just leave a comment below or reach out to us at zpacks.com. Happy hiking.
Hi, Terry Bro with Mountain Safety Research. I want to introduce you to MSR's new Thru Hiker Shelter series, ultralight, adaptable, and packable shelters designed for long-distance backpacking. And I'll show you how to set them up. The shelters are actually a flexible system that you can customize to suit the level of protection you need for your trip. You can choose between the Thru Hiker Mesh House 2 or Thru Hiker Mesh House 3, which accommodate 2 or 3 people. You can also choose between the Thru Hiker 70 or 100 wing to create a small or large awning for your mesh house that offers wind and rain protection. Because you purchased the mesh house or the wing separately, you're able to use them individually or pair them to make a complete shelter system. With 4 pairing options to choose from, you can configure the right combination of weight, livable space, and weather protection coverage that's right for your trip. The Thru Hiker mesh house is extremely light and compact, and it's roomy enough to be comfortable on extended trips. Its micro mesh canopy provides maximum ventilation and moisture control while keeping the bugs out. The Thru Hiker mesh house can be set up with trekking poles, trees, or accessory poles, and here's how. First, lay out the mesh house on the ground flat, stake out all 4 corners, and pull it out until the floor is wrinkle-free. That's going to ensure you get your best setup possible. Next, to insert the accessory pole, place a stake about 4 to 5 feet out from the mesh house floor in the front and in the back, and simply place the cord over your trekking pole. If you need to, use the tensioners at the bottom of the cord to add a little tension on the mesh house. The Thru Hiker wing is also easy to set up. First, lay out the wing flat on the ground with the MSR logo facing up. Place stakes out at the corner about 3 to 4 feet away, and on the centers about 6 feet out. Next, simply insert the trekking pole tip into the red grommet. Do the same on the other side and adjust the tension as necessary. You may find it's necessary to move the stakes around a bit to get the proper tension. You also have the option to suspend the wing from trees instead of using poles. When you go to break camp, the Thru Hiker wing and mesh house both pack down fast and easy and fit in their own stuff sacks. To see the complete line of MSR accessories, go to msrgear.com.
At Nemo, we live by a mantra to never bring anything to market that doesn't create a better adventure experience. Everything we create is designed to keep you warmer, drier, and more comfortable than what's already out there. This is Tenchi, our award-winning expedition tent designed to keep you comfortable and secure in high-exposure areas. Offered in a 2-person model, this Alpine Warrior is equipped with our unique STAT anchoring system, offering unparalleled security for adventurers wanting to take their expeditions to the edge. Designed with an efficient shape to balance livability with fluid lines, Tenchi is ultra-stable in windy conditions. Tenci's 40D Osmo waterproof nylon ripstop fabric is breathable, supremely strong, and provides the most reliable weather protection possible. An extra-large vestibule at the front gives you plenty of storage space to protect your gear from the elements, and a clear vestibule window provides visibility in bad weather conditions. A large front door offers easy access, and the rear window is large enough to be used as an escape hatch in emergencies. Multiple strut-supported vents, coupled with Tenci's removable condensation curtain, promote superior airflow for ventilation and keep moisture from the breath contained to a small portion of the tent. Tenci's strongest feature is its unique sleep-tight anchor transfer system, providing a waterproof, convenient, and direct method of transferring an anchor into the tent when pitched on a ledge. Tenci's overlapping external pull structure leverages premium aluminum DAC Featherlight pulls, further adding strength, durability, and stability. The completely external pull configuration is intuitive for an ultra-fast setup, saving valuable time in extreme weather. And a generous amount of pull clips and gatefold carabiners ensure tent integrity during the harshest conditions. Shock cord stake points allow flexibility to evenly distribute stress in the frame during high winds, keeping materials safe while on the mountain. With gear pockets, there's ample interior storage for essentials. And on those dark nights, light pockets allow you to turn your headlamp into a tent lantern through light diffusing fabric. For greater visibility, especially at night, Tenci is outfitted with reflective webbing and guy lines. If your expeditions take you to the furthest edges of the earth, Tenci is a shelter of choice to keep you secure and comfortable in high exposure areas. And like all Nemo products, your Tenci comes with a lifetime warranty, so it will last with you through years of adventures.
Hi guys, my name is David Kaufman and I am a product manager for Sierra Designs. Today I will be showing you the 2- and 3-person Clearwing tents. The Clearwing 2 and 3 are both 2-door, 2-vestibule, lightweight backpacking tents. So we have a symmetrical pull system for easy setup. We also have 2 vents over each vestibule for good ventilation while sleeping. So the Clearwings both feature a 68D polyester fly and floor, along with a 15D nylon no-see mesh and a DAC aluminum pull set. So because of the hoop pull structure we have on these tents, we create near vertical walls on the inside. This gives us ample livable space and a really nice peak height. In this case, we're at 41 inches on the 2-person. We also feature 2 new attic pockets, one for either sleeper, along with a pocket up by their head for each individual as well. So when packing up your tents, we feature a no-hub 3-pole system, which gives you minimal packing size, and we also feature our easy-to-use burrito bag. The Clearwing comes with both a 2-person and a 3-person size. The 2-person has a minimum weight of 4 pounds, where the 3-person has a minimum weight of 5 pounds and 3 ounces. At its price point, you will be hard-pressed to find a tent that brings you as much livable space for as little weight as the Clearwing.